What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be taking the skid steer out right here, fixing up some of the jumps I got in the field. Every winter they just kind of need shaping up after from all the snow and weather that affected them over the winter months. But yeah, I'm going to take this out there. I think I only got like 2 or 3 jumps I got to fix up a little bit. I want to get some of the weeds off the top just because it's getting a little bit overgrown. I think I'm going to get some drone footage. That kind of sounds fun. So I don't know, I'm like a week out of school and trying to get my YouTube back up and going. Alright, so I just got the skid steer out here. I'm going to be basically flipping like the top, maybe like 3 or 4 inches of the face of the jump. I'm going to try and get rid of all the weeds. Don't really care about the back sides too much. I might do a little bit on the landing. Then that jump down there as well. That one's definitely a little worse than this one is. But yeah, so I got the first one finished up. The dirt is a little bit drier than I'd like it to be. I mean, it packs still pretty good, but it's a little bit on the dry side. Like here's still pretty soft, but not too bad. It should be fine. I think it's supposed to rain later in the week, so that would help pack it down too. But usually, at least for me, when I like to shape jumps, I want to make sure the soil's just like dampish, not soaking wet, otherwise it's just a big sloppy mess. A little bit of moisture is always good. It just helps it pack down more. So yeah, on to the next one down there. If you guys are wondering on how to shape jumps with a skid steer or something, anything with like a bucket, what I normally do is when I come up, I'll have the pressure and then I'll adjust the bucket about halfway to a little bit steeper, and then at the very top I'll roll the bucket over and back down the top. I'll try and show you in the camera once I get going here, but that's usually what I do. And then on the way back down, most of the times I will just lift the bucket up lightly and not even touch the face when I go down. So I basically do all my smoothing of the lip when I go up the jump, and then nothing on the way back down.